Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing a black screen when trying to watch YouTube videos, follow these step-by-step instructions to troubleshoot and fix this common issue. Step 1. Refresh the YouTube page by pressing F5 on your keyboard or clicking the refresh button in your browser. This often resolves temporary loading issues. Step 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings, find Clear Browsing Data, and select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data. Step 3. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and VPN extensions, as they can interfere with YouTube Playback. Test YouTube in incognito or private browsing mode to see if extensions are the cause. Step 4. Update your web browser to the latest version. Outdated browsers may not support YouTube's current video player technology. Check for updates in your browser's settings menu. Step 5. Check your graphics drivers and update them if necessary. Right-click on your Windows desktop, select Display Settings, then Advanced Display Settings, and look for Driver Update options. Step 6. Try using a different web browser to determine if the issue is browser-specific. If YouTube works in another browser, the problem is likely with your primary browser settings or extensions. Step 7. For mobile devices, close the YouTube app, clear its cache through device settings, and restart your device. Then reopen the app and test Playback. Step 8. If the black screen persists, disable hardware acceleration in your browser settings. This option is usually found under Advanced Settings or System in your browser preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.